guys, it's Rachel here and I have an Etsy update. So I have two new kits. One that I had started working on about 2 years ago and this one, Stef did a lot of this, and then I sort of just went over the top a little bit. Well, actually he did some of them as well. We've done a pretty background kit because the background pages are very useful to have. So there are 9 pages this time because we had an extra page and we decided just to leave it in the kit. So I'll just show you them. I printed them from the PDF so you can see the PDF print, and I absolutely love them. There's that flower that Lulu designed. She drew that and she did that one as well. I just love them. Very sort of more simple, in inverted commas, sort of backgrounds. And then this one's a bit more busy. And this one, I love those colors together. And then this one and this one, I love that one too. Love the colors. So that's the back pretty, we've called it Pretty Background Kit 2. And then the other kit was one that I was asked to do quite a while ago, and I started it. It was actually when I did the 100-day project and I was doing all those kits to help me along with when you guys gave me the prompts. And one person had, I can't remember who, had asked me to do a navies kit. So navy, but so it's kind of a mixed blue, but sort of tending towards darker blue sort of color. So there's a few pages. This one's more vertical, just for collaging and backgrounds. I know I have this pattern in another kit. I did alter the color, so I don't know whether it's showing here or not. This one, this was an antique paper that they used to cover books. Also this one as well. You've seen me use this one before, and I absolutely love that. And then I did some work on some of the things, like I've done some collage pages as well. So I've done some washi sort of, or some strips really, like they're wallpaper borders, and then just old fabrics, and I think those two were fabrics, some labels. I've added a bird with a border around it so it's easy to cut out, and that's a beautiful antique embroidery, some fabrics, and a sampler. And then I've done a couple of pages that this is a beautiful sample book that I haven't shown you that I got. It's not a sample book actually, it was a children, like a, you know, they did it at school. It was a learner's. I'll have to show you that. And that's my antique mattress ticking, and that's one of my antique books, and that's, so quite a bit of this stuff in this is mine, and then a couple of things from, actually only 3 things from the public domain. So all the rest of it is stuff that I have in my stash. And the same with this one, a couple from the public domain. All of these things I have in my stash, that and the book behind. So they're just fun pages to play with. They could go in a document journal like that. Isn't that gorgeous? Or you know, you can use them as collage sheets. The same with that one. So those are my 2 new kits. I hope you like them. I'm super excited about them. Of course, one of my favorite color really is blue. So so I'm very excited about this one. I can't believe it sat there for such a long time, and then I finally did it. And these are based on pages that Steffi had designed. There's a couple of new ones in there, and then there are some of the ones from the last botanical kit, so it does coordinate with that kit, that have been altered so that they're more writable sort of pages. So there we go. Those are the new kits. I hope you like them, and I'll be playing a little bit with them in a video coming up on the weekend. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you again soon. Bye.